Sorry, Bear. I gotta go, man. See you later, Bear. Bye. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Gravel Road Garage. Now, today I got a cool little video for you guys. You might be able to tell from the thumbnail or maybe the title or whatever, but I'm missing a vehicle. That's right. I sold Cooper. But I sold him to a person you guys have already known and you guys have already seen in a couple of my videos. So right now we're going to go out to his house. We're going to go hang out, see what he's done with Cooper. I sold it to him about 2 weeks ago, so we're going to see what changes he's made. And speaking of changes, I took the topper off of Ellie because I was sick and tired of seeing it. So yeah, we're going to jump in Ellie and we're going to head her on down and we're going to have a great time. Hello everybody, welcome back. We are now at Buddy John's. He's the new owner of Cooper. And I gotta say, I'm a little bit disappointed in what John did with Cooper, my baby boy. But nah, it's his truck. The deal's said and done. I just need to steal my battery back and then we're all done. But this is Cooper now. Of course, we got the new DOT rated legal fuel cell with the line that's pulled away from the drive line. Rotten tires. These are actually different wheels. These were the wheels I bought the truck with, but I always ran it with different ones because I didn't like these tires. I didn't trust them and I didn't want to put new tires on it. But then John also painted the mirrors, the hood. He put his yee tag on there and the smiley face. But I think the plan is to put a big aluminum and wood flat deck on it, maybe a dually axle under it, and eventually a big block. So this thing's gonna be a very interesting truck when it's all done, John. So now that what that means for the channel is I got to change a bunch of crap because Cooper's all over. Cooper was like the main squeeze of the channel for a long time. So I got to change a bunch of crap. I guess I'm going to leave that up to comments. What do you guys think I should put as the new center face of the channel? Because my vote is Ellie.
A hatchback car.
No, it's not happening. Not happening, boy.
Honda Civic Type R. You can do a sub channel and put subs in a hatchback car.
I'm not a sub channel though. I'm a truck channel.
Oh, okay, well fine then. A truck. Oh, what you do is you put your cap back on, cut out the back of your truck, and lead subs right into the cap.
No, that's terrible. Terrible idea. Oh yeah, and then the capper is off Ellie currently, and I think Ellie looks better without the cap. The only reason I had the cap is because I wanted to go camping in it, and then it turns out I couldn't go camping because the fuel pump went. But
girls will go with them.
Yeah, that too. Really hard to justify a camper top when you can't fill the camper top. Yeah. So John offered to take me for a ride here, and I forgot just how terribly I left this truck in.
That fell off and it blew out.
Yeah, so we're probably dead. So I'm gonna try and fit myself in here without getting 4 different types of tetanus. Here we go. Dude, you know what, John? This is like the first time I ever had the truck over at your place. This is almost exactly what we did. We cut the exhaust off and then we went for a ride. Now we just reverse spots.
Minus the box, minus the 400-pound tank, minus the.
There's no difference. It's the same. Oh yeah, this truck is nice and loud. You can see the pinion going. See how little that thing spins? That's crazy. Usually you look at those things and they're going. Oh, I bet this thing whips really good donuts now. Yeah!
To be honest, I'm so nervous with that back thing that it's gonna blow off. I haven't actually driven it.
Nah, propane tanks are built really tough. You can hit them with a shotgun and they'll be fine. A little bit of jostling around won't do it no harm. There we go. Woo! Dude, this thing is ridiculous. That was nothing! Whoa!
It's rough though.
Well, yeah, because there's no weight anymore. Yeehaw! Oh man, this is like flashbacks. Oh my gosh. Oh. This thing's freaking hilarious.
I love it.
Don't ever put anything back on it.
Yeehaw! Still spinning the wheel.
actually have a posse or something.
It does.
It does, you
Both
know.
tires keep spinning. I've never got one tire to light up yet.
And see, when I did the burnout video, one tire did light up, and then eventually the other one did start to spin.
Yeah. So
But at first, it was only the one.
it's weird though, because like my truck, it's only one tire and it's so much newer.
Well, it's an options thing. I guess since this was like a special order fleet truck, that was important to whoever bought it. It was a low rear gear with a limited. Wait for the little car to go by. Howdy! We're about to ruin your road.
Like, what the?
What have we witnessed, children? All right, whip them. Yeah! Holy! Dude, this thing turns around so quick now. Oh my God! Woo! Dude, this thing is I almost regret selling it to you, but I know that I would have never done this. So I wouldn't have had access to this much like retardation fun if I hadn't sold it to you.
I'm going to be. And it just starts kind of going.
At 80, it still lights them up. It's ridiculous.
Yeah. It's only a 305 for crying out loud.
Yeah, it's a 2-volt main 305 with a 2-barrel propane carburetor.
Yeah.
Like, it might be making 130 horsepower on its best day.
The propane still looks solid, eh?
Oh yeah, it hasn't barely moved. It's on there tight. It's DOT rated. What are you talking about? Secured load, man. But yeah, so that's just proof. Don't buy a 90 shit box. Buy an old pickup and take the box off. You can drift on anything. We're gonna get stuck. Are you doing a burnout?
I'm gonna wreck that screen.
Burnout anyway. Oh gosh. Ah! Don't let out of it. Oh my gosh. Oh, we're gonna die. Oh my god. Woo!
Hold on, propane.
Oh gosh! Dude, with no load on it, this thing is like, imagine if you welded the shock solid and then drove. It's the worst. Dude, this thing is a certified bogger. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little short video. Now you know what's going on with Cooper. Now you know why he's not in the driveway anymore. And yeah, John will be doing crazy stuff with him, and you'll probably end up seeing it on this channel anyway. So hope you guys all have an excellent day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.